All over the world, climate change is hitting people hard. This is a story about northeast Thailand. Communities here are experiencing unpredictable seasons, increasing temperatures and rains arriving later and later, year after year. Crops have failed, making it harder for people to feed their families and earn a living. But now they're fighting back. People are getting together to come up with smart solutions. With support from Oxfam, Manoon, a rice farmer, built an ingenious windmill pump. The sails were made from an old advertising billboard. Then there's Tongsa. She's introduced new crops, growing food that needs less water. That's helped get her harvest back on track. Now there's more to eat and to sell at market. This is just one country. Worldwide, people are finding innovative solutions to climate change. It's vital work, but to make a global difference, world leaders must act now. Add your name to Oxfam's campaign and urge your government to deliver life-saving cash to those who need it most.